Ready to go serverless on Google Cloud Platform? In this video, I'll show you how to deploy a serverless application using Terraform. Say goodbye to managing servers and hello to a more scalable, cost-effective way to run your applications. First, let's start by creating a Terraform configuration file that defines our serverless application. Open your text editor and create a file named main.tf. In this file, we'll set up the necessary Google Cloud resources, such as Cloud Functions or Cloud Run. Here's an example configuration for deploying a simple function using Google Cloud Functions. This configuration sets up a Google Cloud storage bucket to store your function's source code, and then deploys a serverless function using Google Cloud Functions. You can find the entire code in the description below. Once your configuration is ready, it's time to initialize Terraform. Navigate to the directory where main.tf is saved and run. This command sets up the Terraform working directory and downloads the necessary provider plugins for GCP. Next, apply the configuration to deploy your serverless function. Terraform will generate an execution plan showing the resources that will be created. Review the plan and type yes to confirm and apply the changes. After the deployment is complete, it's time to test your serverless application. You can do this by making an HTTP request to the function's URL, which Terraform outputs after the deployment. For example, you can use curl to send a request. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the output from your serverless function. Now, let's talk about a real-world use case. Imagine you're a startup looking to deploy a web service that needs to scale quickly based on demand. By using Google Cloud Functions and Terraform, you can deploy your application in minutes without worrying about server management. This approach allows you to focus on developing features, knowing that your infrastructure will scale automatically as traffic increases. And that's it. You've just deployed a serverless application on Google Cloud Platform using Terraform. Whether you're scaling a startup or optimizing existing infrastructure, serverless is a powerful option to consider. If you want to automate more of your cloud environment, check out our previous videos where we dive into managing GCP resources with Terraform.